Happy learning. It's me, Gayatri Devi, working as an assistant professor at Nanda College of Technology. And now, in the last session, we have discussed about what is meant by HRM, what are the functions of HRM. It's nothing but already I have told you that human resource management or a manager, he is responsible for maintaining a positive uh, relationship between the employees and the organization. We can tell only if there is a positive relationship between the employees and the organization, both the organization and the employees will be uh, growing out, that we can tell. So now today's topics, we can discuss about what are the functions of a HRM. So normally these are some of the functions of HRM. The first one is hiring and recruitment. So already I have told you in the last class that one of the major role of an HR manager in an organization is to recruit any new talent in the organization. That is, the HR managers can recruit the talent using various job boards, then job agencies, and so many physical ad copies. So after that, at the end of the hiring, the candidate or the HR manager is responsible to design the compensation structure of the employee, we can tell. So that is first step of main function of this HRM is about hiring and recruitment. Next one is planning and scheduling. So it's nothing but, so this is also another major role of an HR in an organization, that is to plan and schedule various events in the organization. So he is responsible for planning and scheduling any events in the organization. So the events may include, what are all the events means, like meetings, celebrations, and sometimes in some cases when the employees have done well, he or she should be got recognized. So that is employee recognition. So a HR is responsible to notify at all the employees about the major events. So this is also one of the function of HRM, we can tell. Next one is onboarding and training. So onboarding it is also plays an important role in the life of any employees. So an HR manager ensures the smooth onboarding of new employees so that they can get familiar with the organization's culture. And training is also main important for the employees to understand the policies and procedures of the new organizations. If a newcomer is there, he should be familiar with the, he need to be familiar with the policies and procedures of those new organizations. So effective onboarding and training should be given to those employees. So this is also one of the major role of HR, we can tell. Next topic is about documentation of rules and policies. So this HR manager, he or she is responsible to design an organizational policies and rules with the help of the management. So with the help of the management, he can frame the rules of the management, and this may be also updated some traditional policies with the time in order to ensure the transparency and with the latest policies. So these documentation of rules and policies is also one of the function of HRM, we can tell. Next one is about performance management of the employees, fifth one. So performance management, whenever employee is performing in an organization, so he should, the performance should be managed, and this performance management allows organizations to design out the promotion and demotion of the employees, and design out their payout structures according to their performance. According to the performance, the employees will be rewarded and recognized. So this can be happen in either monthly, quarterly, or annually. So this is also one of the function of an HRM, we can tell. Next one is the resolution of the conflict. So resolution of the conflict is nothing but he is responsible to resolve the disputes and any disagreements between the employees as soon as possible to prevent any clashes, we can tell. So an HR manager is responsible to resolve the disputes and reach out to management if required. If required, he can reach the management and solve the problem. So a HR manager must ensure they make an unbiased decision in case of the disputes. So resolution of the conflict is also one of the major function of HRM, we can tell. Next one is ensuring the health and study. Health and study is nothing but they make the necessary arrangements to ensure the safety of an employee. If an employee is working in an organization, his safety is first. So to ensure the health of an employee, and HR management may provide an appropriate insurance plans, and organize some gym memberships, and organize some time to time competitions, healthy competitions like that. So in order to ensure that they are being healthy, so that is also important for the upliftment of the uh, organization, we can tell. Next is about a positive reinforcement. So it's nothing but an HR manager must ensure a positive culture in the workplace by working directly with the employees and their reporting managers. So to do this, HR managers can use employee of the month, rising stars, gem of the month, like that. So in order, if ever the employees get recognized by this way, the employees will be in a very working in a very positive culture, and they also will be get benefited, we can tell. This is about positive reinforcement. Next one is about recording as well as reporting. So it's nothing but an HR manager records and reports the performance of every department. So he used to monitor all the departments of the organization, and he'll be reporting to the employees whatever the things happening, and the performance metrics for an employee's risk and analysis of the accidents. So recording and reporting is a major function performed by the employees by documenting any meetings, we can tell. So tracking the performance through the performance metrics is necessary to ensure and develop goals for their improvement. So in order to improve the performance of any employees in an organization, so recording of their performance has to be done. So this is also one of the function of HRM, we can tell. Next is about the last one is about managing compensation and benefits. So managing compensation and benefits is nothing but HR managers are responsible for designing the compensation of the employees. Adequate compensation helps the organization in employee retention and brings more value to the organizations. If ever we are giving any compensation and more benefits to the employees working in the organization, they will be retained in the same organization for a very long period, so that the organization development will be get increased, we can tell. So these are some of the functions of HRM. So these are the main functions which we should be kept remembered when we are knowing about HRM, human resource management. So let me discuss the other topics in upcoming videos. Thank you all.